Hello everybody, hope everyone is doing well. In this video, I'm sharing with you how I cook my Choy Sum in garlic sauce. For the ingredients, we need 1 pound Choy Sum. Choy Sum is tender enough so we do not need to blanch it. We just need to wash it well and cut and split it into stems and leaves. We also need 6 cloves of garlic sliced and 1 tablespoon of minced or grated ginger. For the sauce, we need 1 teaspoon Shaoxing cooking wine, 1 teaspoon organic sugar, 1 teaspoon light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, and we mix it well. To cook, we need to heat the wok or pan on high for 1 minute. We add 1 tablespoon oil and we lower the heat to medium. We add the garlic and ginger. We saute the garlic and ginger till fragrant. We add the Choy Sum stems. They take longer to cook and we stir fry the stems for 30 seconds. We add the Choy Sum leaves. We turn the heat to high and we add the sauce. Mix the Choy Sum and the sauce well and stir fry for another 30 seconds. We lower the heat to low and we cover with the lid. We let it steam till the Choy Sum is tender, and this takes about 2 minutes. We remove the lid and we turn the heat to high. We stir fry the Choy Sum on high for 1 minute. You can add half teaspoon salt if you like. We drizzle 1 tablespoon of oil to preserve the vibrant green color and to get the smooth texture. Toss the oil in for another 30 seconds. Plate the Choy Sum and serve it hot with rice. That's it. Hope you try out the recipe and hope you enjoy the dish. And thank you so much for watching the video.